Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a hose clamps kit and I received it for evaluation purposes and this is my personal opinion. These clamps come very nicely packaged in a durable reusable storage box with dividers, so it's nicely organized. And it includes 120 pieces in 7 different sizes from 6mm to 38mm. And they are also very well made out of high quality 304 stainless steel. They're durable and long lasting. It also features strong buckle that provides with the excellent clamping force and secure seal. These hose clamps are very nice. I love the quality. It's super simple to use and install, and they're perfectly suitable for different type of repairs, including piping, plumbing, auto repair. It can be used on garden hose or anywhere else you'd find it useful for. It's definitely a great addition to any home. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.